Hey guys, my name is Kaushik and welcome back to LetCode. In this video, we are going to learn a very useful shortcut in Eclipse. Most of in almost in like whatever the Tamil Selenium videos I have used this shortcut, and most of you guys have asked like what is that. So I'm going to tell you that. I have already told that in the video itself, but still a lot of people have some doubts, so I'm going to clear that as well. Okay, so the shortcut is very easy. So we know that in Java, whatever we write in the right hand side, and we can store that in the left hand side, right? For example, if I say like new Chrome driver, that means we are going to call the constructor that will eventually give the left hand side the object, right? So if I give like control 2 plus L, that means it is going to assign the variable or the object automatically. For example, let me give you one more example. So I can change the name, so it will give us some name. If you don't like that, you can of course change that. Okay, so here let's say that I'm going to get like driver dot get title, right? So not this one, so driver dot get title, and we know that this title is basically going to return us the string, right? So what we usually do, like we'll say like string, and then we'll say like something like title, then we store it, right? But instead of doing that, what we can do is we can use the Eclipse shortcut. So here I'm going to say like again control 2, you have to press simultaneously and release. So control 2 and release. When you release, you can see in the right hand side we have like few of the shortcuts. So you can assign it to a field, you can assign it to a local variable, you can convert the number of lines into a method. So we have a lot of shortcut, and I'm going to use this L. So L in the sense like we can assign the variable into the or the object into the left hand side. Okay, now control 2 then release, and then you have to click on the L. That might be little complex, so we can change the shortcut. Okay, so you can have to go to the Windows and you have to go to the preferences, and within the preferences you can see a lot of options. You have to go within the Java, and then you have to go within the editor, and here we have content assist. If you expand that, within that we have this advanced. Okay, go to that, and here you can see something like keys. Click on that, and here you have to say like assign variable. Basically we are trying to search that shortcut. We have lot of shortcut in Eclipse, but not everything is very much useful. So this is the one we are interested on, assign to a local variable, and the default shortcut is control 2 then followed by L. Okay, so here I'm going to change the binding, just remove this, and then I'm going to say like control dot. That is very easier for us to do that. Okay, you can change based on your requirement, but my preference will be control dot. Okay, and I can click on apply, and then apply and close. Okay, that's it, very simple. Now I can click on that particular line, and I can say control dot, that will store the variable or the object in the left hand side. It's going to be very simple. Let me give you one more example. So here I'm going to say like driver dot find elements maybe, and let's say that's something we have. Okay, now you don't have to end up with semicolon and everything, just give control dot, it will complete the line with the semicolon, and it will give you like a web element. If I change this to find elements, and let me remove this one, now we know that this is going to return me list of web element, right? So I can give control dot, and here you can see like yeah, sometimes it don't happen, so you have to just save your file. Okay, then give control dot, you can see like in the left hand side we are getting like list of web elements, and the name of course you can change based on your requirement. Sometimes it will be very appropriate based on the method name, sometimes it don't, so you have to change based on your requirement. Okay, so that's it. It's a very simple and very useful select shortcut. Okay, similarly we can change this, like you want to convert this into a reusable function, you can simply give like control 2 M, that will change that into a method, and here simply you can say like my method, something like that you can change, and that's it. We are able to convert a number of lines into a method. Okay, even you can go to the settings and you can change this like control M or maybe control dot M, something like that, as per your convenient. Okay, so that's it. I think this is very useful shortcut, and hope you enjoyed this little shortcut. Okay, so that's it from my side. See you in the next one very soon. Tada, bye bye, take care.